I'm excited to introduce you to our Open Code Academy team project Midwest Pumpkins as a part of Hacktoberfest 2024. This is an open source contribution project built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript on Vue. It's fully responsive and designed to celebrate the pumpkin season with beautiful user interface. Whether you're an experienced developer or just starting out your web development, it's a great opportunity to contribute and add this project to your portfolio. To get started, make sure you read our documentation on GitHub repository, explore our Figma mockup for the design, and check out the task we listed in the project stop for Midwest Pumpkins. If you have any ideas for new features, feel free to open an issue on our GitHub or message me direct on our Discord server. We welcome any creativity and would love to see how your input can enhance our project. Now, if you decided to contribute, I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to do that in our quick video guide. Let's get started.
And here is a step-by-step guide how to contribute to our project. Open our GitHub repository, read carefully the documentation. Here you will find all the necessary information and all the links needed to contribute to our project. Then navigate to the project tab. Here you will see the Midwest Pumpkin tasks. And it will be a Kanban board, and you will see on the to-do list all the tasks are still open. Assign yourself, drag and drop it to the in progress tab, then work on it. When you will finish it and I will approve your pull request, you can move it to the done. Then let's back to our repository. Here you will see the Figma design link. Open it on Figma and explore the Figma layout. Which task you assign yourself: mobile device, tablet devices, and desktop devices. I will suggest you, if you're using a Figma free, to install the plugin called Inspect Styles. How does it work? When you install it, it's open. Click on the section you want to inspect, and you will see all styles needed for this section. For example, let's explore our title. Click on the title and you will see all the styles needed for this title. It's the same for the button. Click on the button, you will see all styles, the colors, and the text on the button. You see all the styles. Everywhere is the same with icons, with images, with everything. Try to build by HTML and CSS by the Figma design. How to export the image: click on the image, and on the right tab you will see there's an export, and here will be in which format you want to export this image: PNG or JPEG. For example, if it's icons, it's good to export it in SVG. And the same with quality, the normal quality or double quality. If you know what it is, image optimization, feel free to build it as well. Then get back to repository, and I will show you how to contribute to our project, because we are all gonna work in one project, in one file. Open our GitHub repository, fork. If you like it, you can put the star for us. I'll be happy. Here you will see the green button. Click on it and copy the URL, HTTPS URL. Then open the terminal, navigate to the directory where you want to place this file. I already have this file on my machine. For example, I want to store it in desktop. Then write the command git clone and paste our copied link. Then press enter. While you create the folder, you can navigate to the folder by the command cd and the name of this folder, or you can right away, if you're on same directory, write the code and the name of this project. In my case, it's Midwest Pumpkins, and then press enter, and it will open in VS Code. When it's open in VS Code, we are right now in the main branch. Don't forget, before you start working, always pull all other changes, and the same when you want to create pull request, the same. Don't forget to make a git pull. Then you're working on your project. For example, I added some changes my code and I finish it. What to do now? Then you create your branch. Follow the main convention. In our case, write your name. I'm Alex, that underscore, and what I did, for example, hero section or about section, what you was worked for, and you can add updated or added new features, but it's good like Alex about, for example, and then press enter. After that, I want to add the changes. I will write the git add, I will write the git commit, and I will write the commit. Please be descriptive. For example, added responsiveness for about section, and then git push origin and name of this branch. In my case, Alex about, and then press enter. Write the password, then open our repository. Here you will see compare pull request. Click on it, and here how you gonna work. You need to add one approving reviews is required. If right now I'm working on, you can when you're gonna work, you will see my name, and you can add me as a reviewer, Alexander Big One. For example, you will find in your case you will find my name and click on it. Then to assign yourself, you can assign yourself, and for example I can assign myself in my case, and you can assign yourself as well and me as well. Then don't forget to add the labels. It's very important for Hacktober for contribution. Here we have a label Hacktoberfest. After that, create pull request, and that's it. After I'm gonna review this pull request, and if all the changes are well, I will merge it, and that's done. If you didn't finish it but you just did some changes, that after I merge your changes and other team members, and for example in next day or next time you're gonna start working again, get back to your VS Code and git branch d, delete your branch, and then git checkout main, get back to the main, and then make a git pull. Don't forget always to pull last changes. You see now I pulled all changes that was made it, and after that the same, do your changes and then create a new branch, and the same as I showed you. Yeah, cool. I hope you're gonna enjoy this project and our contribution to a great open source Hacktoberfest festival at 2024. Stay tuned and let's build this amazing project together. Bye.